Hi guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel with homemade recipe in Belgium. Today I will share how to make the croque monsieur. Jadi hari ini aku mau share tentang cara membuat croque monsieur. Croque monsieur is typical the food from France, original from French, but in Belgium we eat also that croque monsieur, that bread, and you need to prepare with cheese and also with ham. So I will show you step by step how to make it. Please watch this video from the beginning until the end, and if you have any idea of give me a feedback on the comment column. I will be happy. Or lettuce or salad like this, you need to wash it before you use it, and 2 pieces of tomato, ham, and cheese, slices cheese, and little bit butter on it. Okay, jadi bahan-bahannya adalah 2 buah tomato, tomat, ada salad, ada ham, ya, ini daging babi ya, dan ada juga ini keju, ya, keju yang sudah dipotong seperti ini ya, dan juga aku pakai ini butter ya, butter atau mentega. Oke, ini to cut this. Okay, so I put it here first, the tomato, because it's more healthy if you eat with the tomato and lettuce of a salad. I just chop it like that, it's okay. So I put it here. Okay, you see it? Okay. And then next I cut small slices of tomatoes. Okay. This we'll put that on the other side first. To use machine like this to make a croque monsieur. I will switch on first. Switch on this. I will tell you a little bit about me. I'm a mom from 2 children. I live in Belgium, so I love the food, but the healthy food, and cooking is my passion. Yeah, my passion. So please support me. Don't forget to subscribe and give me like, and also don't forget to give a feedback of this the bread one by one. A little bit butter. This. Yeah. Use a ham, okay, like this. And don't forget the cheese. Cheese. Okay. And then you close it like this. Like that. Okay. And then I will put it here. Okay. This machine. Like this. Okay. So for 5 minutes, we'll say like that. And again, add the butter. And the ham. And the cheese, any kind of cheese, don't need to don't need a specific type of cheese. Cheddar also good, of Gouda, typical from another. It's so easy, right? Little bit, yes. Here. Yeah. The cheese like this. Do you know in a cheese is contained with calcium? Calcium It's really good for the bone. Strong, healthy bone. Eat you. Ooh la la! Look the cheese. Ooh, looks so delicious. I'm gonna do it again. Like this. Okay. Close it. Ready? I just add a little bit tomato and a little bit slaw of lettuce. Okay. Add a little bit also tomato sauce like this. Or you can also add the mayonnaise. Like this, okay. Like this. Well done. Second, take it out. Okay. Okay. And put the other. Okay. And a little bit butter. A little bit butter on it. And don't forget the cheese. Okay, and the ham. So, open it. Ooh la la! That delicious cheese. Look. Oh, ooh la la! Just melt. More delicious. Ooh la la! Get out. Okay, it's not really too hot. It's okay. So yummy. And add it one more. Okay, and I'm so close it. In French language, they call it c'est très bon, c'est délicieux. It means super tasty, because in Belgium we speak French language, Dutch language, and also a little bit German if you stay closer to the border of Germany. So in Belgium they use it three language, but I just know a little bit French, and also I speak Dutch. Of course I speak my mom language is Indonesian, and little bit Chinese. It's ready. Yuppie, ready to eat. Ooh la la, look. Look, the cheese just melt. Ooh la la. One more. Okay, so of my croque monsieur, made by homemade recipe in Belgium. What you think about it? Look. Ooh. Look yummy, delicious. Ooh la la. Easy, healthy, and très bon, delicieux. What do you think about my recipe for today? It's easy, right? Easy, healthy, and delicieux. Très bon. The cuisine est très bon. Delicious. Please try it at home, and please let me know any idea, feedback, and comment. Those are welcome on the comment column. Silakan mencoba, dan jangan lupa please support me with subscribe, and don't forget to give me idea and hit the bell button notification to get every time the new video I post. Okay, thank you and have a great day. See you on my next video. Bye bye everyone. Selamat mencoba. Enak banget loh, lekker. Lekker. Here. Ooh la la.